Often new graduates, new veterinarians will ask me, why do I get this swelling in my spay incisions, especially in cats? It seems to be worse, but in cats and dogs. And the animals are doing fine, but they get much more swelling than maybe the more seasoned clinician. Watch your non-dominant hand. That's the one that's holding your thumb forceps, and hopefully we do have thumb forceps in our hand. They hold your thumb forceps, but your dominant hand is doing all the work. So it's getting all of your attention, all of your brain time. You're focusing on it. You're not paying attention to the non-dominant hand. And what happens is you start to really hold those tissues tightly with your forceps, and you end up damaging the tissues more than maybe your more experienced colleague who's learned to relax and has learned that the non-dominant hand is actually really important. You need to keep an eye on it. So that's just one of the things that the new grad, the new veterinarian might want to pay a little more attention to when they're in surgery.